What's up, guys? This is Mr. BMX Riders, and this is me, my bike check. The bars are Van Lacy signature bars. It's really wide. The bars, the grips are some kink grips. I don't even know what they are. A random stem. I really don't know what it is. The frame is Lady Lucy Hoffman. The FAF tires. The front wheel is, I don't know if you can see, it's Eastern Venus. The pedals are called PC pedals with stock Eastern cranks. This is my KMC chain. The sprocket is premium Narstar right there. The back wheel is Fit Black Sheep, and with the pegs are Fit stock. The back tire is Odyssey P-Light right there, and the last thing is my rare black Animal strip seat. It's really cushy, nice, and yeah, this is my bike check. Hope you enjoy. Leave a like, and thanks.